Hello everybody, this is brand new product from AKK Technology. I just received it. It's called FX2 Ultimate. So if you watch my channel, you may be seen that I have tested the FX2 first version and that I got around 4 kilometers of range with that one. This one is Ultimate. It's 1200 milliwatt output power maximum, and I'm going to test this one over the weekend and try to make a range test. As usual, you can see well packed product. Let me see, maybe you can see like this. It says FX2 Ultimate, standard AKK quality, which is perfect, and in the box you also have additional MMCX cable, manual, adapter cables and antenna cable. You can choose between SMA and RPSMI adapter cables while ordering, so depends on your antennas which you're going to use. Manual, standard one piece of paper. Something different is here. As you can see in the manual, some frequencies are shaded in dark but still visible numbers. Why? It says notice, you can read it down there. Due to FCC regulations, some frequencies are not available anymore. But nevertheless, this is a 5-band transmitter. So it means A, B, E, F and raise band. And standard, as with almost all AKK VTXs, you have single button for changing frequency, band and power output. So by short pressing you are changing frequency. 2 seconds pressing this button, band will start to flash and you can change the band. So as I mentioned, A, B, E, F and R bands. And by long pressing this for more than 5 seconds, you will change the power output between 25, 200, 600 and 1200 milliwatts of power. Of course, like almost all AKK VTXs, this is a smart audio one as well. So if you have a Betamax OSD, you can use smart audio port for changing the band's power and the frequency. Okay, I'm going to hook it up and do the range test. Before range test, I hooked it up with simple antenna. I forgot to mention that for powering this VTX you will need 7 up to 26 volts, so you can use your 2S, 3S and 4 and 5S batteries. I'm going to use 2S for the purpose of this presentation, and never power it up without antenna. Any kind of antenna is okay. So what do we see here? We see A, 8 and 2 flashing. So what does it mean? It means it's on band A, channel 2, channel 8, and 2 stands for 200 milliwatts of power. Changing the frequency is easy, just short press this button, let's say 2, 3, let's say I want channel 4 on the A band. Now it's A, 4 and 2. If you want to change the band, hold down for 2 seconds and now change the band to B, F, R, A, B, F, R, let's say R. Where's the E gone? E is no longer available. Oops, it seems to me that I got out of the settings. Okay, it's on R1 now with power of 200. If you want to change the power output, you have to hold this for more than 4 seconds. Now power is up to 4, it's 1200 now, and you must be aware of that on this power output this unit will heat up, and be sure to provide enough of cooling. I'll put it down up to 200 how it was. Be sure to provide enough cooling for this unit at 1200 milliwatts because it is going to heat up. Okay, now I'm ready for the range test. There, AKK FX2-Ultimate ready for flight.